We are in Mexico with a team from Restoration from where at? Roseville, California. Great. Did you guys have a good week down here?
Yes.
Good. You guys served at a church and did a lot of work projects, and you did your VBSs and prayer and evangelism outreach and your church outreaches. Did you have quite a few children receive Christ? About how many? About 40 children received Christ, and some adults, and great. And you guys had a good time? Did you feel safe? Okay, this is your, fifth time coming down, right? This church, okay. And would you recommend to other short-term mission teams considering to come down? Awesome, great. Can you say adios?
Adios.